Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We just wanted to let you know that we apologize for the bad footage in this video and stuff. We're going to work on getting it better and stuff. I'm actually in the process of getting ready to take editing classes and filming classes so that our videos will be better and stuff. We also wanted to let you know about our posting schedule. We're going to plan to post at least once a month for now, and then eventually go down to twice a month, and then our end goal is once a week. We also wanted to let you know the future of the channel won't be as short and rushed as this video was. We plan on going out and doing more new stuff. This video was of something that we've already done. It was something really local and something that wasn't really new to us. So the video kind of represents that and stuff. We also wanted to tell you about our plans in the future if this YouTube channel succeeds. We plan on buying us a RV and living out of it and traveling the United States in the RV and filming our adventures in it.
We love suggestions as to where you think we should go next, and just remember, every like, share, and subscribe helps this new little channel grow. And enjoy this video. Hey guys, we're here at Mill Springs. We're just wanting to show you around a little bit. It's a hot spot usually for prom and for wedding pictures, and it's just a great little place to come and visit. Enjoy. Home, headquarters, and hospital. The Brown Lanier House in the Civil War. In late 1861 and early 1862, the Union and Confederate armies occupied this area as they vied for control of Kentucky. This house, then owned by Thomas Brown, served at various times as headquarters for both armies. After the Union victory at January 19, 1862, the Battle of Mill Springs, it was a makeshift hospital where surgeons treated soldiers from both sides.